Wintertime means that snow business is big business right now, but any alpine pursuit is going to cost you a pretty penny. And we have come to the Southern Alps, just outside of Queenstown on the South Island of New Zealand, for an alpine pursuit with a twist. We're here to experience Aston Martin on ice and slide some $500,000 supercars around.
Using the Southern Hemisphere Proving Ground, the biggest winter testing facility this side of the equator, the British brand is one of the handful of luxury car makers offering unique ice driving events for its clients as a way of connecting them to the brand and building a community of like-minded enthusiasts. The 4-day experience costs around $8,500 and includes 3 nights luxury accommodation at the Millbrook Resort near Arrowtown, meals, transfers and a full day of driving on ice. Guests also have a free day to explore the Central Otago region, either visiting its world-class wineries, play a round of golf, go skiing or snowboarding, or to keep the adrenaline pumping, participate in the myriad of adventurous activities on offer in and around Queenstown. The ice driving experience itself begins with a comprehensive overview of the cars we'll be driving. There's 2 DB11s, 1 DB11 Volante, a convertible no less, and a new Vantage, all running on specially studded winter tyres. And the activities we'll be putting them through during the day, starting with a basic exercise to understand the differences between understeer, where the front wheels lose traction, and oversteer, where the back wheels slide. Well, this is the best fun you can have at 20 k's an hour. How much fun is this? 5.2 litre twin turbocharged V12 on the ice, sideways, big rooster tails off the back wheels. Oh. Hilarious. Now, it's completely irrelevant for Australian drivers because obviously we don't get a lot of snow, but this does teach you a hell of a lot of skills about basic car control, and if you do get into an emergency situation, what you need to do to control a car that's out of control. As you can see, you're fairly busy behind the wheel, but what an experience. We then move on to a figure of 8, essentially linking 2 donuts, or snow nuts, in opposite directions, which is hilariously good fun, except if you're a witch's hat. After that, I feel more like Colin McRae than Ken Block during the slalom exercise that involves swinging the back end rather than spinning it from one side to the other. Then it's back to donuts, big ones, on a slippery circle of ice. So this isn't the natural environment that you'd normally see a $500,000 Aston Martin supercar in, but this is part of Aston Martin's Art of Living program, and it basically gives customers a unique experience to get control of these cars in an out of control environment. Now, driving on snow isn't an everyday situation for most Australians, but it does teach you the fine nature of car control in a safe and controlled environment. Because, let's be real, sliding something as powerful as the Aston Martin Vantage in such a way like this would require a lot of real estate and a lot of speed, and the consequences of something going wrong would be catastrophic and expensive. Wow, that was so much fun. Now, these might be out of their natural environment, but you get to experience so much in just a day's worth on Aston Martin on ice, and it is worth every penny.